And then finally Allah raised him, and Allah will send him back on the earth before the end of the world, and he will fight against Masih Dajjal, the false Masih, and he will kill them, and then he will pray to Allah to destroy the Yajuj Majuj, and they will be destroyed with a disease in the neck. There will be too much contamination on the earth, and he will pray to Allah to send the rain, then the rain will come and all the earth will be clean. And then he will establish his real mission to kingdom of Allah on the earth. And that was his promise from Allah, that he will establish the kingdom of Allah on the earth, and that kingdom of Allah on the earth will be according to Quran, with the law of the Quran, because the Quran is the accomplishment of all the books. All the books were finally abrogated, and all the laws are transferred to Quran with new laws and complete laws. So Prophet Isa will establish the kingdom of Allah as he was the Masih, and his job was to do the kingdom of Allah on the earth, and he will establish it. And Mahdi, who will be from the generation of the Prophet Muhammad, whose name will be Muhammad bin Abdullah, from the generation of Hussein, he will be his companion. And they will dismantle this false currency system, and they will spread the wealth, the real wealth, the gold and silver, and they will establish the kingdom of Allah on the earth, and the Isa al-Masih will be the Khalifa on earth. According to the hadith, he will establish this, and then he will get married, he'll have children, and then he will die. Then he will be buried beside Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina. There is a place reserved for him, because the room of Aisha where Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was buried, there is two more companions, Abu Bakr Siddiq and Umar Farooq. They are there, and the one place beside Prophet Muhammad is empty, which no one allowed for 1,450 years until today, because that place is reserved for Prophet Isa, that he will bury beside Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to call him brother, because all the prophets are like brothers. And then after that, the people will start to go back to idol worship, and there will be believers few. Then Allah will send the believers a wind which will touch to their underarms, and the believers will die. And only left on the earth will be the worst kind of human beings, will be like animals committing sexual activities on the streets. And Allah will inflict the end of the world on them, which is mentioned in the Quran, Inna zalzalata sa'atun shay'un azim. And then that will be the end of the world, and then Allah will send the water from the sky to absorb on the graves, and the graves will start to reform the bodies. Israfil makes first trumpet will be the destruction, and the second trumpet, then all the people will come out from the graves, and that will be the day of judgment. People will go to hellfire, and people will go to paradise.